Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to create a multiplication table generator in Python. This is a simple program but highly practical for learning how loops work. So our task is to generate a multiplication table for a given number up to a specified range. For example, if the input is 5 and the range is 10, then the output should look like this. So this is the code implementation of it. Let's look into the step-by-step explanation. First, we define a function generate table that takes two inputs, the number for which the table is generated and the table range, specifying up to which multiple the table should go. Then we display a header for the multiplication table to make the output clear. Then we use a for loop to iterate from 1 to table range plus 1. In each iteration we calculate the product of number and I and format the result as number into I product. So we formatted it as number into I equal to product. The product is number into I. So here we prompt the user to input the number. Here we prompt the user to input the table range. Then we call the function with the user provided inputs. So let's run the code. Let's give 5 as the number for the multiplication table and let's give 10 as the table range. So it should print this one. 1 to 10. Let's give another example. Let's give 7 and 12. 7 is the number and 12 is the table range. So here is the output from 1 to 12. So the key concept we learned are using a for loop to repeat actions for a specified range, then dynamically creating formatted output using the f strings. Here we use f strings, then encapsulating logic in a reusable function. So you can generate a multiplication table for any number using Python. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more exciting coding challenges and as always, happy coding.